Move number 3. After parting wild horse's mane, after the third one, we reach with our intention to free up our back foot to come halfway in. We shift back to our cat stance. I like to coil inward from my dantian and then out and up. So white crane spreads its wings. I noticed when I did that right there, I kind of started tightening my shoulders. So really letting the shoulders settle. And it's always the dantian and the whole body moving, never the shoulders or the arms on their own, because we want it to be connected to our power. So once again, I finished my third parting wild horse's mane, my yi, my intention, my brain. I reach way out in front of me, and that frees up my back foot to come halfway in. I shift back to my cat stance. I'm coiling my dantian inward and then out and up, following my hand and settling. One more time. I'll do it from the side. The third parting wild horse's mane. I reach, the back foot comes halfway in. I shift back to my cat stance, coiling in, out and up, following the hand and settle.